Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Begin with a cool engine. Do not clean a hot engine. Work on a flat surface and wear gloves and eye protection. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts and accidental starts. Cover the alternator, exposed sensors, the fuse box, and the air intake with plastic bags and tape, leaving the throttle body sealed. Have a water source, a commercial engine degreaser, a soft nylon brush, microfiber towels, and a low-pressure hose set to about 30 psi ready before you start cleaning. Spray a quality foaming engine degreaser evenly over greasy areas, focusing on valve covers, manifolds, and the oil pan edges. Allow the degreaser to dwell for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep degreaser off plastic trim and painted surfaces when possible. Use a soft nylon brush to agitate deposits, brushing in small sections and lifting grime into foam. Avoid directly spraying electrical connectors. Instead, blot them with a damp microfiber towel. Use a small plastic scraper for thick deposits and repeat degreaser application if needed. Rinse the engine bay gently using a low-pressure hose at about 30 psi, maintaining a distance of 12 to 18 inches and directing water away from sealed electrical areas. Work in short bursts and avoid a direct jet onto delicate sensors. After rinsing, use low-pressure compressed air or a leaf blower to move water off connectors and crevices, then dry with microfiber towels. Remove plastic covers, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and start the engine for 2 to 3 minutes to warm and evaporate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.